Is a blinking Wi-Fi router a sign of an issue?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video on deciphering the secret language of your Wi-Fi router's blinking lights. It's common to wonder if a blinking Wi-Fi router is a sign of an issue. Sometimes it could be, but often, it's just the router's way of communicating its current state. Let's delve deeper into this.
What does the blinking mean?
Blinking lights on your router can mean different things, depending on their color and blink pattern. Typically, the router's LED lights will blink when there is data being transmitted. If your Wi-Fi light is blinking, it usually means that there's data being transmitted between your router and your devices. So, a blinking light, in this case, is not a sign of an issue, but rather a normal operation sign.
When should I be concerned?
However, not all blinking is a good sign. If the lights are blinking but you are unable to connect any devices to the internet, or if the internet light on your router is blinking red or orange, it could be an indicator of a problem. This could mean there's an issue with your internet service provider, a problem with your hardware, or even a security concern like attempted unauthorized access.
How do I fix issues?
If you've determined there's a problem, the first step is often to try rebooting your router. Simply unplug it, wait for a minute or so, then plug it back in. If this doesn't work, you may need to contact your service provider or consider troubleshooting further, maybe even resetting your router to its factory settings. Always remember to consult your router's manual or manufacturer's guide for the meaning of specific light indicators, as different models may use lights differently. So there you have it, a guide to understanding your Wi-Fi router's blinking lights. Blinking lights can be perfectly normal, but it's always good to be vigilant for any signs of potential problems. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, a well-functioning Wi-Fi connection is key to seamless internet experiences. Thanks for watching.